Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Go with English Teacher. Today, we have a wonderful an experienced person regarding communication skills and spoken English, and he has been teaching communication for. Sir, please introduce yourself, sir.
Hi viewers, good evening. My name is Jinasama Reddy. I have been running this institution for the past 22 years. So it's a passion to teach English and know English. And the thing is, most of the times, I feel that English is a language, so which connects all the languages. Like for example, whatever the country you go, whatever the state you go, wherever you want to go, everything is English only. For example, if you see any document or if you see something, if you want to do something, if you want to connect to the people all over the world, the medium of instruction is only English. For example, you may know Tamil, I know Telugu, somebody knows Malayalam, but somebody knows French, but only one language which connects us, that is English. So you have to speak in English and you have to learn English. When you learn English, you can dominate the world. You can get to something, and whatever you want to do, you can do it because you can rule the world. I can say that. For example, like America is ruling the world because it's an English nation, right? Like British. So British ruled us because that British ruled us for 200 years because their language is English. I feel that. So you can rule the world. The only one medium, that is English. See, for example, anything you want to do, if you express in English, then all over the world, people can understand you. So that you have to speak English. So I do the same thing. I wish you to do the same thing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for wonderful introduction, and you have expressed the importance of English language. And what are the methods that you are following? What are the techniques? What are the tips that you are going to teach in your institution? I think you have been experienced more than 22 years in teaching. So, what are the methods that you are following to make them to speak English? Yeah.
So generally, what happens? Most of the people, they struck while speaking because they feel that something is going wrong. So you should never feel struck. You have to speak English, whether it is right or wrong. So you start with commas and orders, asking questions and asking permission, giving permission, taking permission and all. And you should never feel shy to speak English. And even most of the professors also, they speak wrong English. You should never stop yourself speaking English. And what we do is, most of the people, they are not able to frame the sentences, they are not able to frame the questions, and they are not able to participate in debates and telling stories and all. So we teach the people like how to frame sentences properly, how to frame questions, and how to tell about themselves. And we get them into like storytelling, like debates, discussions, right? Telephone skills and all we do regularly. So that, and moreover, you should feel fun while learning and speaking. But if you are serious about English, you never get English.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, in your teaching, do you teach any grammar rules?
Yeah, grammar rules are essential because when you don't teach grammar rules, it is difficult. For example, so where to use do, where to use does, where to use has, where to use have. So these are important. The grammatical rules are very much important. Without grammatical rules, it's not Hindi or any other language. It's easily learned from your neighbors. But English, it has a pattern. We have to follow the pattern. So for that, it's must.
Yes, sir. In learning English language, what is the most important factor one has to practice?
The thing is, I feel practice is nothing but, for example, if you see, for example, when you get up, so all your world should be English. For example, if you are reading newspaper, that paper should be English, right? If you are talking to somebody, that should be English. If you are dreaming something, that should be English, right? If you are watching something, that should be English. If you are listening something, that should be English. If you practice like this for minimum 6 months, 6 months is more than enough. So this is the world. If you make it, definitely you can get success.
Okay, sir. But you are saying within 6 months one can be fluent speaker. But actually, I know that being a teacher of English language, I have been more than 25 years. I have been teaching, and most of my teachers are also not able to speak English. They teach very well. They explain everything, but even though they can't express, what is the reason for that?
So the only one thing you should forget. For example, what are the languages? Your native language you have to forget for some days. So whatever you want to express, for example, people what they do mostly, they ask you questions in Telugu, that you have to give answers in English because they understand that. If you want to ask something, that you have to explain in English only. For example, if you want to explain also, they can understand that you have to explain in English only. So you must have a passion. So unless you can't convey your passion, you never speak English.
So even though some people, they know the grammar, vocabulary and structure, everything, but they have some hesitation, they have some fear of English language, trembling, pumbling, all the things are here. So what I has to do to overcome all these challenges or difficulties in learning communication skills in English language?
Simple, sir. You have to start. For example, you are at home. For example, your missus there. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a cup of tea? Get me a glass of water. Right? Start with the simple things. And tell about yourself. Tell a short stories. Tell something. What is the city you know? Where are you living? So what are the things you explain? Everything should be in English only. Start with easy things.
Yeah, that's it. That you have named your institution as easy English language. That's the thing actually.
Thank you.
Because the moment you think that it is easy, and whatever thing it will be like, because you are nothing but what you think about it. And if you think that English is difficult, it seems difficult. If you feel that easy, it is easy. So that's it. That you named your institution as easy English. I think many people have learned English easily because of your method. Okay, I think you have a lot of experience, and I think you have how many batches you have?
Present we are running morning 2 batches and evening 2 batches. Online 2 batches are going on, sir.
Yeah. Oh, nice, sir. Is it important to join online classes or offline? What is important thing?
Both are same, sir. The thing is, for example, most of the people are far from our places. They can't come to offline classes, but most of the people, they feel that offline classes are better. It is not like that. Whatever class you take, you should understand that.
Yeah.
Then you have to participate in the conversation, discussions, storytelling and all. So everything is fine. I think there is no difference between online and offline classes.
Sir, one thing. After having taken coaching and teaching from your class, from your institution,
Yes.
so will they able to speak English confidently, fluently, effectively, effortlessly, efficiently?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
They can do it.
Okay. What is the one last tip that you are going to give the new learners, those who don't have that this of opportunities, they don't have, because some of my friends are there, they live in villages, they don't have the environment, they don't have money to join coaching. Okay. So what is the suggestion?
Sir, see, many videos are uploaded on grammar. You can learn from YouTube. It's free, right?
Yeah.
And data is also very much nowadays. The data is very much high. You can use YouTube and you can talk to the people around you, and you can listen to the stories. You can watch news. For example, regularly I watch NDTV 24/7. That's English. You can watch debates, and many things are many motivational speakers are there. They speak English only. You can learn. You can talk to the people. So it's easy now.
Okay.
It depends upon you whether you want to join coaching center or not. But whereas YouTube is enough to learn the things. The only one thing, you should practice. You need a partner to practice. For that, you have to join coaching centers.
Okay. Thank you, sir, sharing your wonderful experience and making everything regarding communication skills. Thank you.
Thanks a lot,
for
sir.
coming to my live session. And
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.